Hi everyone! Welcome back to another orchid care video. I used to think Phalaenopsis orchids were difficult to grow until I tried this method. Let's explore this together and see the amazing results. We're going to use a handful of Katuk for this method. Katuk is packed with nutrients that can really benefit your orchid. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps boost the plant's immunity and fight off diseases. Put sweet leaf, Katuk, into the blender. Pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Strain the blended solution through a sieve to remove any solid bits, leaving us with a smooth liquid for the orchids. Let's dilute the solution with 500 milliliters of water. Next, we'll add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Let's pour 500 milliliters of hot water. Breadcrumbs provide beneficial nutrients and help create a rich, natural fertilizer for the orchid. What do you think is stopping your orchid from blooming? Drop a comment and I'll help you figure it out. Hey, orchid lovers, where are you tuning in from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to connect and hear from you. It seems like my orchid has a lot of root rot today. Don't forget to rinse your orchid thoroughly with clean water. No worries if the language seems tricky. Our videos have subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and more. Just turn them on and enjoy. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Next, we'll trim off the rotten roots. What would you like the next video to be about? And how? How to root plants quickly be. Winter care tips for orchids. This is the reason why improper care causes orchids not to develop. Next, we will use 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Pour 1,000 milliliters of water. Baking soda has a mild alkaline nature, which helps change the pH on the leaf surface, making it harder for fungi like anthracnose, leaf spot, and powdery mildew to grow. Soaking it for 20 minutes. Let wiping it again. Filter the solution through rails. We shouldn't reuse leftover breadcrumbs because they can cause mold on the plant. Let's allow the freshly blended solution to rest for 10 minutes. We'll use the leftover baking soda solution to soak the moss. We'll plant the orchid after letting it rest for a day. Don't forget to water the plant. Don't let the remaining solution go to waste. Instead, we'll use it to nourish and care for our other orchids, ensuring they stay healthy and grow beautifully. Every drop counts when it comes to plant care. I have an amazing video on how to grow orchids. You can watch it right here. We should only water the orchid twice a week. Watering too frequently can lead to root rot, which can seriously damage the plant. After 4 weeks, the roots have grown longer, and they'll likely appear thicker and healthier. Healthy roots will usually be a creamy white or light green. If you see new roots, they might have a bright, vibrant color, indicating they are fresh and actively growing. Don't forget to keep up with your watering schedule, just twice a week, and give your orchid the care it needs to keep growing strong. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on orchid care. Happy gardening, and see you next time.